In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Zelle on the Wells Fargo app. By the end, you'll be confident sending money quickly and safely, all from your phone. First, open the Wells Fargo mobile app and sign in. Make sure your app is up to date so everything looks and works as expected. A stable internet connection helps prevent timeouts while you're moving money. Once you're in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your accounts. Next, head to Zelle. At the bottom of the screen, tap Pay and Transfer. From there, select Zelle, then choose Send Money. Zelle is built for fast transfers between US bank accounts, often within minutes, so it's great for splitting bills, paying a friend back, or sending a gift. Now add your recipient, tap the plus icon to create a new contact, enter their US mobile number or email address along with their first and last name. It's important that this information matches the details they used to enroll with Zelle, or the payment may not go through right away. A quick tip: confirm with your recipient which email or number they have linked to Zelle before you send. That small check helps prevent mistakes and delays. Enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment to review any transfer limits that may apply to your account. Limits can vary based on factors like your account history and the time of day. Tap Review and carefully double-check everything: the recipient's info, the account you're paying from, and the dollar amount. If there's an option to include a note, consider adding a short description like dinner or rent for your own records. When everything looks correct, tap Send, then confirm to finalize the transfer. You'll see a confirmation on screen, and you may receive a notification or email from Wells Fargo and Zelle. Funds typically move fast, but timing can depend on the recipient's bank and whether they're already enrolled with Zelle. If they aren't enrolled yet, they'll get instructions to sign up using the same email or phone number you entered. Once they do, the money will be delivered. That's it. Your money has been sent with Zelle through the Wells Fargo app. Remember, Zelle payments are usually final and can't be reversed. Always verify the recipient's details and the amount before you confirm. If you ever need extra assurance, start with a small test amount the first time you pay someone new. Thanks for watching and happy sending.